Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the gift card and your Cash App readiness. Make sure the card is a redeemable prepaid or store card and note the PIN under the scratch area. Once done, update the Cash App to the latest version and confirm your account verification and linked bank or card, because Cash requires that for some transfers. Photograph or copy the code carefully. You'll need it in the app. This preparation prevents failed redemptions and saves time when you start adding the card. Now you add the gift card details into Cash App step by step. Tap the banking or cash button, choose Add Cash or Link a Card, and enter the gift card number, expiration, CVV, and the scratch-off PIN or digital code. Verify ownership when prompted via SMS or email so the app accepts the source. Once verified, confirm the amount to move and tap Redeem or Add. This converts the card value into your Cash App balance, enabling transfers or payments immediately thereafter. Finish by confirming your Cash App balance reflects the gift card value, and then transfer funds to your bank or use them to pay. If the redemption fails, make sure you entered the PIN and code exactly, the card type is supported, and there's sufficient remaining balance. If issues persist, contact the gift card issuer to confirm activation, and then open Cash App support. Provide screenshots of the card and error messages. Doing these steps quickly resolves most problems and secures your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.